Hey, this is James from Now Fit. So you want to find out if Psyllium Husk will help you lose weight? Firstly, let me tell you there are many benefits of taking this soluble fibre. Psyllium can be found in various forms and has many health benefits. Psyllium relieves constipation, it may help treat diarrhea, it can lower blood sugar levels, it will help you feel fuller and aid in weight loss, and it can also lower cholesterol levels. It seems to be good for the heart, and it has prebiotic effects. If you're already on Now Fit blog, ignore this. If you're watching this anywhere else, we have an article explaining the benefits of taking Psyllium Husk daily, so the link will be in the description. You do need to watch which ones you are purchasing because not all are doing what they are supposed to do. The blog post will address this. Do read the article because it'll explain more about the benefits. Visit the link in the description if you're not already on the blog page. Thank you and take care.